Intimacy is the language of love spoken with the body, heart, and soul. Sexual freedom begins with letting go of shame and embracing your true self. In the sacred space of intimacy, we find the courage to be fully ourselves. A great relationship is where intimacy is an expression of the emotional and mental connection. To fully enjoy intimacy, one must embrace both their own desires and their partner's. Sexual intimacy is not just a physical act. It's an art of communication and vulnerability. The way we express our sexuality is a reflection of how we see ourselves and others. A fulfilling sexual relationship is not about quantity, but about quality, presence, and intention. Intimacy thrives where love and respect are the foundation. Passion is ignited when two souls trust each other completely. Sex is not only about physical gratification, it's about celebrating the bond between two people. Healthy sexuality is a cornerstone of a balanced and happy life. Intimacy is about more than touch. It's about understanding, caring, and truly seeing one another. True passion is not found in perfection, but in the willingness to explore and grow together. When two souls connect, physical intimacy becomes a sacred dance of love and energy. Great relationships are built on trust, communication, and the freedom to express desires. Connection is the ultimate pleasure, and intimacy is the deepest form of connection. A fulfilling sex life begins with understanding and loving yourself first. Sexuality is not something to fear or suppress, but to embrace as a natural and powerful part of life. The beauty of intimacy is that it allows us to be fully seen and accepted by another. When intimacy is combined with love, it becomes a profound expression of our humanity. Sexuality is not about performance. It's about presence, connection, and authenticity. To love and be loved in return is the essence of true connection, both emotionally and physically.